This is a data walk, and data walks are all about presenting important, compelling, provocative information in an accessible way and allowing people time to engage with that data, talk about that data, learn from one another, and come to interpretations and ways forward to make more progress on things that really matter, like the issues around foster care.
What I'm really hoping is that we'll have more people drawn into the conversation and learn about the current state of foster care in Sedgwick County. I'm excited to have them think about how we can make progress together as a community. I think, well, first of all, disproportionality with regard to the number of Sedgwick County kids that are in the foster care system. 1/5 of the overall state population in foster care comes from Sedgwick County. So I think it's important for us to talk about why that is and what we can do to better strengthen and support our families to safely reduce the need for foster care. The other thing that I hope that comes out of it is an understanding about disproportionality related to race. Black and brown children are 3 times more likely to end up in foster care than children with other racial ethnic backgrounds. So that's important. And then just the overall complexity of how things like food insecurity and poverty impact or put families at risk for potential involvement in the foster care system.
To me, so many things I love about data walks. Number one, they tend to invite new people into the story. So a lot of people have been working on this issue along with DCF, but there'll be new people here. And this is a really easy way for them to become knowledgeable and ideally become champions. The other thing I love about data walks is that they tend to disrupt the narrative. And on this particular issue, it's really easy perhaps for some people to say, oh, there's a really simple problem here, and maybe it's all this organization's fault. Or this is complicated. And one thing I love about data walks is it helps that complication come to life in ways that help everybody figure out how to make more progress and what their part of making progress looks like.
Yeah, so KHI, we are here to help support how you analyze and then discuss data. We're here to put it up in a way that's easy to digest, but ultimately the people living in the community know the context and they can tell us what's missing. They can think through the solutions and what they've tried and what they still want to try, those future experiments. So we're not here to tell the group what the correct solution is. We want to just make sure the information is in front of everyone so they can discuss it together.